Guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of this video. Let's figure out how to open this. It looks like it's one of the straightforward ones and there's no tape to cut through, so that's good. Wow. I am starting to like the look of this. Let's see if it comes out as easily as I would like it to. This way we can compare it to the Kyosho Mini Z. Alright, there we go. This looks good, guys. This really looks good. And since I am here, might as well check out the Mini Z and see how that compares to. They should both be 24 scale. This one comes with one of these funny chargers here. I've got one already. But this one charges the little batteries, I guess. The one that I got was for a larger thing. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned.